The first thing I'd like to say is that our thoughts and prayers go out to those affected by Hurricane Harvey. And we just saw a real-world example of how things can change in an instant. One moment, everything's fine. The next, total devastation in some areas. Now, of course, with natural disasters like these, Mother Nature will often have the final word, regardless of how you're prepared. But with investing, you may find that the better you're prepared for market swings, the less of a negative impact there may be. So here's a little math for you. Check this out. During the accumulation phase of your life, while you're still saving and working and contributing to your retirement accounts, hypothetically, if a portfolio suffers a 10% loss, it takes about 11.1% gain just to get back to even. A 20% loss, however, you need a 25% gain to break even, and at 30%, well, it requires nearly 43% gain to get back to square one. But what happens when you're retired and you're taking withdrawals from your portfolio? So before you're saving into the portfolio, but now you're taking money out. It's even worse. If you had $100,000 and you took out $4,000 per year and your portfolio subsequently suffered a 10% loss in year one, you'd need about a 21.4% gain in year two to get back to even. Using that same scenario, but taking out $6,000 per year, you need about a 27.2% gain in year two just to break even. And that's not easy to do, folks. This sequence of returns can have a devastating effect on your portfolio. This risk is of primary concern to us, and it's why we use a bucket strategy where we take short-term distributions from less volatile assets. Whether the market's up or down or somewhere in between, your income source is designed to be unaffected by those gyrations, potentially avoiding this sequence of returns risk. When market downturns strike, like natural disasters, they may do so with little or no warning. So it might be time for you to think about what your strategy is. If the stock market version of Hurricane Harvey arrives and you're not prepared for it, it could take many, many years to recover. So I ask you, what's your plan?